There, Tom, thank you. And all this excitement over a possible NFL stadium comes as D.C. is dealing with some major money issues. Congress cut about $1 billion from D.C.'s 2025 budget when they passed a measure to keep the federal government funded earlier this year. The Senate passed a quick fix to restore that money, but it stalled in the House despite encouragement from President Trump to get the deal done. Well, the city found a loophole to get that number down to about $410 million. Our Rebecca Turco is looking into how likely we are to see this fixed and what it means for the city if the House keeps stalling.
The Speaker needs to move the bill.
Mayor Bowser is calling on House Speaker Johnson to take action to move forward the bill that would restore D.C.'s local spending for this fiscal year. Otherwise, the district will have to make big cuts over the next few months.
Is there a snafu? Everybody knows it, and they need to fix it. Bipartisan support in the Senate. The President of the United States supports it, and we need Speaker Johnson to move it. And I know when he moves it, it will pass.
But Congressman Andy Harris of Maryland doesn't see it that way.
The bill is not ready for prime time in the House. If it were a clean bill that didn't put some constraints on how the district was going to spend that money, I would vote against the bill.
Do you have a plan with the D.C. budget fix?
We're working on it.
That's the House Speaker on April 1st. He hasn't given us any updates today or responded to the mayor's comments. House leadership hasn't either. If there's no movement, D.C. will eventually need to go to their Plan B, cutting $410 million through spending freezes, including overtime and hiring freezes already in effect. Agencies could request waivers. A law enforcement source tells me police did. Today, the mayor said she believes she's authorized waivers for public safety agencies, but she wouldn't elaborate. Per her spending order from 2 weeks ago, the city administrator was to get her a plan last Friday for any furloughs and facility closures needed to further reduce spending.
We will be finalizing plans in the coming days if we don't have any action.
Reporting in Northwest D.C., Rebecca Turco, 7 News.
Meanwhile, the mayor still has not presented a 2026 budget plan to the council. They've given her a May 15th deadline to share details with them. Mayor Bowser says the budget is done, but she needs to focus on getting this year sorted out first.
We do need to address FY25. And FY25 does affect the certification of FY26. So it's simply not true that we're holding it up for kicks.
So far, the mayor has only said that she will fully fund early learning and care programs in 2026 without specifying how that will happen.